Nyambura nodonjo apise tok chamo muma kendo romo kod jotich mantiere apise no e boma ma Nairobi. Owacho ni romo no mokwongo en mar ng'eruo kosingo mar tiyo kodgi kanyakla mar chwalo lek mar dongruok sekta mar tudruok pacho kae. Nyambura yango mar dhi mbele kod ywako pachgi kanyakla kod tiyo kod migepe mamoko e chwalo chenro mag piny owacho.
Director of Administrative Services,
Professor Amasi, Acting Principal, Kenya Advanced.
MCS, PSS, my name is Joseph Ramogi, Assistant Director.
Thank you very much.
Director HR, ICT and Digital Economy. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Mine is to thank you for the warm welcome and to say I look forward. I know I have interacted with some of you in various capacities. We are keen to learn, to understand where we are as a ministry. I've been involved in a few of the projects, particularly coming up with the master plan and the policy. So I understand some of the challenges, some of the opportunities, but I look forward to working with all of you, ensuring that as per our commitment to have an inclusive, open and safe digital space, and to support all our other ministries in when it comes to ICT and to ensure that we are using ICT for socio-economic development.